Hello to all, this is Dr. IJR initiating online lecture series on operations research. So today we are going to discuss about arithmetic method of game theory. Let us start with one problem. So here the problem consists of two players and having 5 by 6 matrix. That is, A is following 5 strategies and B is following 6 strategies. So let us check that whether this game is having the value of the game or saddle point. If we didn't find out the saddle point, let us apply dominance rule to reduce the matrix to 2 by 2 or 2 by m or m by 2 to apply various methods for calculating value of game. So I applied dominance rule to this problem to reduce the matrix. Finally, this matrix can be reduced to 2 by 2. So once we get this matrix, let us check with row minimum and column maximum. That is, this problem is having a saddle point or not. In the row minimum, the minimum number of A2 is 1 and minimum number of A3 is -5, and column maximum, the maximum is 7 and here it is 3. Under row minimum, out of minimum values we need to find out the maximum value. That is 1 is the maximum. Out of maximum we need to find out the minimum value. 3 is the minimum. Let us mark 1 and 3 in the matrix. So here maximum is not equal to minimax. That means a game without saddle point. So we can find out the value of the game by applying some method. So how to apply the method we can check. For 2 by 2 matrix having without saddle point, in that case we have to use any of the following methods, that is the algebraic formula or arithmetic method. Now we can apply the arithmetic method to this problem. So let us prepare our problem like this. So first we may find out the probability of A and probability of B strategies. So let us find out the first probability, that is P1 and next one is P2. So how to identify or how to calculate the P1 and P2 of A2 and A3? That is, with P1, find the calculation of P1 consists of A3 strategies will be applicable here, and 1 and 3. The A2 strategy is the base point for P2. So what is the logic behind here is highest number minus lowest number. So we need to identify or memorize this logic. So P1, there are two values 7 and 5. So 7 is the highest number. 7 minus of -5, that is equal to 12. And P2, 3 is the highest number. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. That means P1 and P2 ratio is 12 and 2. If you simplify this, 6 and 1, that means 6 by 7 and 1 by 7. That means P1 is equal to 6 by 7 and P2 is equal to 1 by 7. So this is the way to calculate the properties of A, 2 and 8. Let us calculate the player B property. So the probability we have to write Q1 and Q2 here. The same logic will be applied. For calculation of Q1, we may take B4 strategy. For calculation of Q2, we have to take B3 strategy. And here, highest value minus lowest value. We need to take the same type of logic here. So Q1 is equal to, there are two values 3 and 5. 3 is the highest number, 3 minus of -5, and Q2 is equal to 7 minus 1. So that is 8 and next one is 6. So here Q1 Q2 ratio is 8 and 6. If we simplify this, 4 and 3 is there, that means 4 by 7 and 3 by 7. So finally we can get Q1 is equal to 4 by 7 and here it is 3 by 7. So we successfully calculated the probabilities of A and B like this. After doing this process, we may find out the A's expected payoff by taking the values of 1, 7 and 3, 5. That means 1 into 6 by 7 plus 7 into 1 by 7. That is equal to 13 by 7, or you can take 3 into 6 by 7 plus minus 5 into 1 by 7, that is equal to 13 by 7. So in both cases we are getting a positive number, that means A's expected is gain. And next, B's expected payoff we need to calculate. B's expected payoff, and same logic here, 1 into 4 by 7 plus 3 into 3 by 7, that is equal to 13 by 7, or you can calculate in another way, 7 into 4 by 7 and minus 5 plus minus 5 into 3 by 7, that is equal to 13 by 7. So B's expected payoff is positive number, that means we can say that is a loss. So A's is a gain factor, B is a loss factor. Now what is the value of the gain to this problem is 13 by 7. Thank you for watching.